Hey, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Alex, and this is the official AutoForm Builder channel. AutoForm Builder is a free WordPress plugin that lets you create beautiful, professional forms in minutes with a simple drag and drop builder and zero coding required. In this video, I'll show you how to create a contact form in WordPress in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. First, make sure AutoForm Builder is installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you haven't done that yet, we have a full installation video right here on the channel. The link is in the description below. Now, let's open AutoForm Builder from the WordPress admin menu and click Create New Form. A pop-up appears with ready-made templates. We're going to select the contact form template. It already comes with the most common fields you need: full name, email address, phone number, and message. All set up and ready to go. Now we're inside the form builder. On the left, you have your field library. In the center is your form canvas, and on the right is where you edit each field's settings. The contact form template is already good to go, but let's quickly customize it. Click on any field to edit its label, placeholder text, or mark it as required. You can also drag fields up or down to reorder them, or drag new fields from the left sidebar onto your canvas if you need anything extra. Once you're happy with the fields, click the Customize tab at the top to style your form. Pick a theme that matches your website. Adjust colors, fonts, layout. Everything updates live in the preview, so you always know exactly how it looks. Now, let's go to the Settings tab. This is important. Under Submission Behavior, choose what happens after someone submits the form. Show a success message, redirect to another page, or both. Write a friendly success message like, "Thank you for reaching out. We'll get back to you soon." Then, enable email notifications and enter the email address where you want to receive contact messages. Every time someone fills out your form, you'll get an email straight to your inbox. And the submission is also stored safely in your WordPress dashboard. When everything looks good, click Save Form at the top. You'll see the shortcode right there. Click to copy it. Now go to Pages, open your contact page, paste the shortcode where you want the form to appear, and click Update. Visit your contact page, and there it is, your contact form, live on your website. Let's do a quick test. Fill in the fields and hit Submit. You see the success message, and if you go to AutoForm Builder and click Submissions, the entry is right there, with all the details, the date, and the data your visitor submitted. And that's it, a professional contact form on your WordPress website in under 5 minutes, completely free. If you haven't installed AutoForm Builder yet, it's free on WordPress.org. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next tutorials. We publish new videos and blog posts regularly at autoformbuilder.com. Got a question? Drop it in the comments and we'll help you out. See you in the next video.